Feeling perpetually exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. In fact, there are 16 common reasons why you might be experiencing this fatigue, and the good news is many of these issues are easily fixable. Let's dive in and explore these reasons, along with practical solutions to help you combat that constant tiredness. The mystery of autumn-winter exhaustion unveiled. Dr. Claire Rooms, a GP and clinical lead for insomnia at Boots Online Doctor, sheds light on the importance of sleep for our overall health. She emphasizes that while a good night's rest is crucial, it's not the sole factor influencing our energy levels. Tiredness can be influenced by various physical, mental, and lifestyle factors. 16 reasons why you're tired all the time and how to fix it. Iron deficiency. A balanced diet is key to maintaining energy levels. Iron, in particular, is essential for forming hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout our bodies. Low iron levels can lead to fatigue as muscles and organs don't receive enough oxygen. Ensure you're getting enough iron through foods like liver, red meat, beans, nuts, and dried fruit, or consider a food supplement. Mouth breathing. Breathing through your mouth can reduce oxygen intake, leaving you tired. Try nasal strips, dilators, or breathing exercises to encourage nose breathing. Blood sugar dips. Late-night refined carbs can cause a 3 a.m. crash, disrupting deep sleep. Opt for a balanced snack with protein and fiber, like oatcakes with nut butter or yogurt with berries. If cravings are an issue, try a supplement like Nuora Bloatburn, which helps control sugar cravings. Blue light. Screens can trick your brain into thinking it's daytime, reducing melatonin production. Switch off devices an hour before bed or use blue light filters/glasses. Sleep apnea. This condition affects an estimated 10 million people in the UK. It causes breathing to stop and start during sleep, leading to loud snoring and gasping. If you suspect sleep apnea, consult a GP for assessment and support. Dehydration. Mild dehydration can reduce circulation and trigger headaches, adding to tiredness. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of fluid daily, including water, milk, tea, and coffee. Stress. Ongoing stress can disrupt sleep and make it hard to feel refreshed. Try relaxation techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, can also be highly effective. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps turn food into energy and keeps our muscles, nerves, and blood sugar levels healthy. A deficiency can lead to headaches, nausea, and fatigue. Include leafy greens, nuts, and seeds in your diet, or try a magnesium lotion on your feet before bed. Depression. Depression can disrupt sleep, reduce motivation, and alter hormone balance, affecting energy levels. Talking therapies, counseling, or GP support can help. Keeping a sleep diary and mood tracker can reveal patterns and connections between mental well-being and energy. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of regular activity can reduce circulation, hormone activity, and overall energy. Inactivity can also lower sleep quality. Incorporate movement into your day, even if it's just short walks or light exercises. Small changes like taking the stairs or stretching can improve circulation and energy. Thyroid problems. Persistent tiredness can signal thyroid issues, which affect metabolism, energy, and mood. Other symptoms may include weight gain, constipation, dry skin/hair, a croaky voice, and feeling colder than usual. Blood tests can help identify the cause, allowing for treatment or lifestyle adjustments. Caffeine. Caffeine consumed later in the day can interfere with sleep. Limit caffeine intake to the morning or early afternoon and switch to water or herbal teas. Remember, tea, energy drinks, cola, chocolate, and protein bars also contain caffeine. Changing schedules. Irregular schedules can throw off your internal body clock, leaving you tired even after a full night's sleep. Keep consistent sleep and wake times, get natural sunlight in the morning, and reduce screen time before bed to reset your body clock. Diabetes. Diabetes affects blood sugar management, which can cause fatigue. If tiredness is ongoing or accompanied by other symptoms like weight changes or mood shifts, consult a GP. Alcohol. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy initially but reduces deep sleep and can cause nighttime waking. Limit alcohol intake and avoid drinking within a few hours of bedtime. Medication. Some medications can cause drowsiness as a side effect. If you notice tiredness after starting a new medicine, discuss it with your GP or pharmacist. They can advise on adjusting timing, dosage, or trying an alternative. Feeling tired despite adequate sleep is common, but understanding the underlying causes and making small adjustments can support your energy and overall well-being. Consult the GP if you're struggling with symptoms, as they can provide tailored guidance and support.